This video covers what a wave actually is. So you've probably heard or seen of several different kinds of waves. So we have water waves, we have sound waves, and we have waves on a string. And we will talk about these different kinds of waves later in the future. So a wave is defined as a disturbance in some material or medium that moves away from the source of the disturbance with some characteristic speed that we will call v sub w for velocity of a wave. It is important to note that the only thing that propagates through a wave is energy, and not actually the particles that make up a wave. To further elaborate on this idea, think of waves that people make when at sporting events. People stand up when their neighbors stand up, and this motion creates the wave. The people who are actually involved don't actually move throughout the crowd. Instead, their motion or energy is propagated throughout the crowd. We call this kind of motion where a particle's motion depends on the motion of its neighboring particles coherent motion. So for example, in the stadium wave, you wouldn't just stand up whenever you wanted to, right? If you were going to make this wave, you would want to stand up when your neighbors stand up. So that would also be coherent motion.